Hello everyone, hope you are all. Today we are discuss how to track in chatbot, Facebook chatbot. Like this is my website, you can see, and I wanna track this. So this is my chatbot, right? So I want to track. So go to the Google Tag Manager account. This is my Google Tag Manager account, and you can see my previous all track. Then I want to track. So first of all, I wanna preview this. That's why I click preview. Then connect this site. So you can say this is my site, right? Okay, right now this is tag assistant is already connected, and you can see tag assistant or is that okay, no problem. So I wanna track this, right? So I click in this icon, just click here and go to the your tag assistant. You can see uh again please. Okay, so then again click and go to the tag assistant. I can't find any trigger like chatbot tracking is not loaded to not click tags or others click ID. Click tag is not fair. Just I show is container version and container ID. So I can't properly tracking. That's why I need a just a simple code. So I this code first of all copy and go to the Google Tag Manager. I want to custom tag. That's why I tag and I am clicking new. Then tag configuration. I want to custom HTML. Just paste here and just custom code tag. Just trigger in all pages and save here. Then you can again preview. So you can see already is connected. Google Tag Manager this side. Tag stain is connected, right? So just scrolling and again see no event is far, right? So just click this icon and again go there with something. Then you can see every chat click is fired, right? So just click here and you can see data get post event name is this and you can see this code. So I just copy this code. So first of all need a first of one trigger is create. That's why I just trigger section. Then go to the new trigger configuration and custom trigger and trigger value is happy chat click. Then just click happy chat trigger, right? Just save here and I want to data pass in Google Analytics. That's why I just select that new, then tag configuration, go analytics, GA for event, just select in my measurement ID. So this is my measurement ID, event in FB chart click, right? So just trigger and I select in my FB chat trigger, right? So this tag is FB chatbot tag and save here. And I want to submit this. It's okay. Go to the new tabs and I open my analytics account. This is my client website, so I just select is my website. So my analytics account name is this. Then just select that. Then go to the admin section and just click in debug book. So I need a data collection. Sorry, not data collection. I need a data display, right? So just click debug view. Then you can see this is already is my previous data, right? So go to the again and submit, okay? Then workspace, then refresh this site, then again preview. So right now my website is already preview now. Then just minimize this. You can see my GFO chatbot tag is not there, right? So just click there and again go there and you can see my FB chatbot tag is flat, right? Properly. Then you can go the your analytics account and we sometimes for data. Then you can see your chatbot tag is already tracking properly. That's why you can see this data. This is properly tracking. So thank you so much. If you need any help, this like Facebook ads, Google and GFO tracking, commerce tracking related service, you can feel free contact me. I will help you my best. So thank you so much. See you another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.